Hey everyone, is your iPhone stuck on a cloud activation lock links or locked owners? How to remove permanently without doing a jailbreaks with the help of PC or laptops? We will see live here, step by step with real demonstrations. This device came at my shop yesterday at the morning times, but right now I'm trying to fix it. There was a time the problem, so that's why guys. But now we can see the activation lock prevents anyone who is not the owner from using this device. So why this happens? This is a common issue on any iPhone device, guys. Sometimes when you have the purchase a second-hand device and the previous owner who erase everything, that it will stack on this. Sometimes you have attempted multiple times a screen wrong passcode, Face ID is not recognized, Touch ID is not recognized, or due to damaging of any parts of a especially the device also, these will directly stack on this cloud activation automatically after erase, because there is a advanced security on especially particular iPhones, so that if you attempt 10 times a screen wrong passcode, time screen wrong passcode, or yes, mobile device management, manage the password, if these all are going to be wrong more than 10 times, and then automatically it will happens. Sometimes maybe blacklist is toilet mode, lost mode, the reported device, or you have gotten anywhere. So in this situation, first and foremost, guys, we will access by using iTunes. That what's the saying the cloud configurations. So see here, this iTunes has started to access the data now in the cloud database, and it's a clear the message that activation lock has been highlighted, not time screen passcode, not manager password. Yes, not mobile device management locked. So this is activation lock. Crystal clear, guys. So what we will do here, in this situation, we will go for an agile administration, that is a BlobSaver. These all tools and driver we will provide you. Below the description box, there would be a download links. Just read it from it. What is the function of this? This will especially reaccumulate all the previous data from the cloud database and Apple database, and after reading all the information it will accumulate, and then after accumulation of all the data, then we will go for further step. Let's see, delete, we will wipe out the completely everything, so the previous data. So now see, it's pushing this device multiple times automatically into the yes DFU recovery, and see here it's not a frozen, this kind of the things are coming, so no problem here. Just to try to the exit 3U tool, so that this will not interrupt again and again and to have the error. So now this is not a frozen the one time, so don't do anything. Automatically when it will start, it will push once again into the recovery, and when a little bit there will be gap ups, it will configured and try to acquire all the data from the cloud database. Now that we can see, the clearly it has reached on a dish, and see automatically it will, here is an error. Now see, we can clearly see. So once again we will try to the push, and now see it's showing that there is error, so fines. We will try to the push this device, switching invalid of these things. So the maybe especially now we will try to disconnect, and once again we will try to, because there is a battery. Yes, scarcely, I mean 20% is remaining, so maybe this can be the reason here, but don't worry, we will once again try to read it from, and it will. Now see, to restarting the boot computer, if that doesn't work, the against your device and the trust and the founder of that, etc. So what we will do, guys, just we will cut it from here once again, and thereupon once again we will have to see that cloud configurations. So we will have to open iTunes, guys. So this kind of errors, and this device especially is an old model, and of course the customer told me he kept this device from last 4-5 months. So now that we can see there is an error on iTunes also. So this is a common issues, guys. Don't worry, in the multiple device, 2 more device we will have to. So I have already mentioned to you that we will share, yes, whenever any issues further or latest Now see that we can see the clearly. This is a that here. This is a functioning 3U tool, but this is not a functioning. So we will come the utility and see iTunes is not going to the configure. So because of that may be error. So just we will go for especially repair that iTunes by using coming on a utility iTunes repairs. So a little bit it will take a time and then it will try to other configures. So sometimes it happens, guys. Don't worry on some of the particular device due to bug and the viruses, and if it is older than. But of course, we will attempt with the 27.4 beta version. Easily, we will fix it. So above the spatial, I mean 10x, as we know that 27.4 or 0.27.04 beta version is applicable. Yes, particular on this device, so we will try to. Now see it's going to the repair and let it complete and then the further we will see. I know 10 to 20 minutes and this can be estimated to the whole procedure, but right now this kind of issues can be happen with you also. So just I'm trying to fix these issues also. So just we will now close this iTunes. We will close this and we will try to exit from here also. And now the once again we will disconnect these issues from the data cable, and once again we will connect. So it has been connected. Now the once again we will configure that is iTunes, and it's essential that couldn't be connected and the error this kind of the thing is having. Yeah, still fine. So let me problems fix it. Yes, it is coming still this problem. So maybe just let me from this side to connect especially this fines. This kind of the error is coming fines. On iTunes, and this is coming error showed maybe a bug on the virus. So once again we will try to open this BlobSaver. Let's see this is also having error or not. Just we will try to read. So it's saying so that try to other both iOS device and the computer restart. If it doesn't work and the trust it, we will have to restart. So how do I just we will try to come on here and thereupon just we are waiting here, guys. Then this kind of this just we will tap on a toolbox to of course we will come on a reboot option you will have here. Now try to push this device. So now we can see the clearly this is a 3U tool is functioning, but iTunes is not a functioning. So maybe what is the reason behind of that we don't know, but try to the access iTunes once again now. See if it is the iTunes is not going to connect, so maybe in the bug and the viruses. So a little bit just we would like to resolve of this is. So now just we will go on here once again. The battery is also especially try to especially charge firstly more than 50%, otherwise this kind of issues is common. Now see the finally, guys, this device has been connected. Now it is trying to access the data. Now see clearly. So now we will here close it and we will try to open once again. That's a BlobSaver. These all are the common issues. As sometimes, especially some of the people who blame the dad directly that not going to the functions or having the error. So this kind of this can be happens, guys. Just we will read it from that. Now it has once again read it. We will include the betas. We will go for specify API announce and we will read it. Hit this ones.